Hello and welcome to my channel Biostudies. Myself Komal, your biology tutor. In this lecture, I am telling you about the next topic of the chapter Anatomy of Flowering Plants, and the name of the topic is Sclerenchyma. So let's start. Sclerenchyma. It is another type of simple permanent tissue. Okay, let's start. First, sclerenchyma is a simple supportive tissue of highly thick-walled cells with little or no protoplasm. राइट इसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है कि जो ये सेल है, जो टिश्यू है, ऑफ कोर्स सेल से मिलकर बना है. ये जो सेल्स है इनके पास क्या है, थिक वॉल्स है, thick walls, and due to this thickening of the walls जो प्रोटोप्लाज्म, जो लिविंग कंटेंट है सेल के अंदर का, वो कम होता जा, रिड्यूस हो रहा है, लिटिल प्रेजेंट है और या फिर प्रेजेंट नहीं है. अब जिन सेल में प्रोटोप्लाज्म प्रेजेंट नहीं है, ऑफ कोर्स दिस टाइप ऑफ सेल और टिश्यू, दैट टाइप इज नॉन लिविंग टिश्यू. दैट्स व्हाई हम स्क्लेरेंकाइमा को नॉन लिविंग भी कहते हैं. हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज थिक वॉल and inside there is a narrow lumen which is there. Thickening of the wall is due to the deposition of lignin. अब देखो कोई चीज थिक है, ऑफ कोर्स वहां कोई ना कोई डिपोजिशन हुई होगी, तो यहाँ पर लिग्निन की डिपोजिशन हुई है, राइट. एंड लिग्निन इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक पॉलीमर डिपॉजिटेड इन द सेल वॉल मेकिंग देम रिजिड and woody. Rigid or woody के कारण this sclerenchyma provide the mechanical support, and that is a very important function of sclerenchyma. Instead of providing living type of functions that provided by parenchyma and collenchyma, now the sclerenchyma is provide that much mechanical support due to the presence of the thick wall on the cells and due to the deposition of the lignin, right. And these lignified secondary walls are present in this sclerenchyma. Isn't it clear hua about the basic of the sclerenchyma? Now we move to the types of sclerenchyma. There are fibers and there are sclerets. I am telling you later on. And here also you can see this is a cell, and this is the primary wall is made up of the other biomolecules, cellulose and all, but in the secondary wall the main component is the lignin. Okay, so fibers are a type of sclerenchyma tissue, and fibers are the sclerenchymatous tissue consisting of long elongated cells with pointed ends. That means fiber is a type of sclerenchyma, and these are elongated cells with the pointed ends, right. And this pointed ends of adjacent fibers, they get interlocked to form a strengthening tissue, and that's why I earlier said that sclerenchyma provides mechanical support, provides strength, right. Next point is lumen may become narrow due to heavy deposition of the secondary wall, right, in the fibers. And now I'm telling you some longest fiber yielding plants, that is linum, and its common name is flex. Linum is a botanical name. Here I underline the botanical names. Linum is the flex, Corchorus is jute, cannabis is hemp, and these all are economically important plants. So that is introduction about fibers, that these are the elongated cells with the pointed ends, they interlocked to form a strengthening tissue.